I ask you something? Have you ever stood in front of the mirror and wished you could change just one thing? Maybe you've avoided that strapless dress hanging in your closet, or felt your confidence shrink in moments that should have felt empowering. You're not alone. So many of us have been there. We've Googled every solution, from padded bras to risky surgeries. We've spent hours scrolling before and after photos, wondering, is there really a way to feel comfortable in my own skin without breaking the bank or my body? What if I told you that the answer isn't what you've been sold? That there's a natural, safe, and truly effective approach. No scalpels, no scary side effects, no draining your savings? Imagine waking up every morning proud of what you see, walking into a room and owning it, not because you've fixed yourself, but because you've enhanced the beauty you already have. And doing it all on your own terms. Sounds like a fantasy? Think again. Because today, I'm revealing a little-known secret that's helped thousands of women finally say yes to that dress, yes to that beach day, yes to themselves. Stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how ordinary women are transforming their confidence and their lives with a breakthrough so simple, you'll wonder why no one's told you sooner. Oh, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the end. Because what I'm about to share isn't just another trend. It's a miracle, and it's waiting for you. Hey there, beautiful. If you've ever felt self-conscious about your bust size or wished for a natural way to enhance your curves without surgery, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about Bravona Forte, the all-natural breast enlargement kit that's changing lives across the USA and Canada. Don't go anywhere, and make sure to check the link in the description and first pinned comment to order yours while supplies last. Let's get real for a second. So many of us struggle with body confidence. Maybe you've avoided wearing your favorite dress or felt hesitant in intimate moments because of your breast size. I've been there too. But what if I told you there's a safe, non-invasive solution that works with your body, not against it? Meet Bravona Forte, a revolutionary dual-action system combining a daily food supplement and a nourishing cream. Infused with phytoestrogens, this kit gently supports your hormonal balance to improve bust shape and size naturally. And guess what? Results can show in just weeks. Here's the magic. The cream hydrates and firms your skin, while the supplement works internally to promote healthy tissue growth. No scalpels, no downtime, just visible, natural results. Oh, and did I mention it's FDA compliant and cruelty-free? Ready to start your journey? Click the link below to grab your Bravona Forte kit today. And yes, they ship fast across the USA and Canada. Just ask Sarah from Toronto, who saw a full cup size increase in 8 weeks. Or Maria from Texas, who finally feels confident in a bikini. These women skipped risky surgeries and chose Bravona Forte instead.
Why?
Because you deserve results that feel as good as they look. Unlike expensive procedures, Bravona Forte is affordable, discreet, and made with ingredients you can trust. Phytoestrogens mimic natural hormones to enhance your curves safely. No side effects, just confidence. Ladies, this is your moment. Don't wait. Thousands are transforming their bodies right now, and you can too. Tap that link in the description or the first pinned comment to order Bravona Forte. Your journey to a bolder, more confident you starts today. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how Bravona Forte works for you. Stay radiant, and I'll see you in the next video.